In this video, I'll guide you through how to add clickable links to your Klaviyo email templates. Whether you're looking to drive traffic to your website, promote a special offer, or simply enhance the interactivity of your emails, clickable links are a crucial component of any successful email campaign. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate these links into your emails, making them more engaging and effective. First, you'll want to open your Klaviyo account and navigate to the email template that you're looking to edit. Once you have your template open, focus on the email canvas, which is where all the magic happens. Find the button block within your canvas. The button block is a versatile tool that allows you to create a call to action button in your email. Click directly on this button block to bring up the configuration options. Upon clicking, you'll notice a configuration panel appear on the left-hand side of your screen. This panel is your control center for customizing the button block. Here, you can adjust various settings such as the button's appearance, text, and most importantly, its link. Your main focus should be on the field labeled Link URL. This is where you'll input the destination address for your clickable link. Now, it's time to paste your full website address into this link URL field. Make sure that you include the entire URL, beginning with the HTTPS or HTTP prefix. This ensures that the link will direct readers accurately to your desired web page. Double-check the URL for any typos or missing components, as errors here can lead to broken links, which can be frustrating for both you and your audience. Once you've pasted the link, take a moment to review the display text on your button. The text should be clear and action-oriented, encouraging your email recipients to click through. Phrases like "shop now," "learn more," or "get started" can be effective depending on the context of your email. Make sure the text aligns with the destination of the link and reflects the action you want your recipients to take. After you've set up the link and button text to your liking, it's a good practice to preview your email. Klaviyo offers a preview feature that allows you to see how your email will appear to recipients. Use this feature to verify that the button and link are functioning properly. Click on the button in the preview to ensure it redirects to the correct web page. If everything looks good, you're almost ready to send your email. Before you hit send, consider conducting a test send. Sending a test email to yourself or a colleague can help catch any last-minute issues that might not be apparent in the preview. This step is especially useful to ensure that links work across different email clients and devices, as sometimes formatting can vary unexpectedly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your Klaviyo email template. By following these straightforward steps, you've enhanced your email's interactivity, potentially increasing engagement and driving more traffic to your site. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is not just in crafting compelling content, but also in ensuring that your call to action is clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more dynamic and clickable email campaigns. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital marketing efforts. Until next time, happy emailing.